Pink Frog Yellow Goose from Behavior. We work with a motive to achieve holistic health in everybody, stressing specifically upon psychological health, that is your emotional and mental well-being. We would like to hear from you in the comment section on what topics you would like us to cover. In case there is any specific question, we would like to answer that. Today, I'm here to speak about the importance of mental health in mental health professionals. According to research, mental health professionals are at a higher risk of stress in general than other professionals based on the nature of their work. So, how do you take care of your health when you're working into a field that is emotionally and draining, according to the research? So, first and foremost, be prepared for yourself, have the knowledge that is required, and as per the need of the client, do the necessary research and ask your guides and mentors on how to go about it in case you are facing any difficulty. Secondly, it is important that you take care of your mental health by having your me time, not burning yourself out, not overburdening yourself with work, talking to your mentors and guide if anything is troubling or stressful for you. Next is talking to your friends in the field on how things are going, that is keeping in touch with your friends so that in case there is anything you always have somebody to share your thoughts and your progress or difficulties with. It is important to understand that even though you are working in the field of mental health, you are still human. Your knowledge and your experience doesn't spare you from being human and going through the human emotions and thought processes. It is just that you are at an advantage that you know how to deal with them better. A lot of time, there are things that don't go according to what you have planned. During those times, give yourself the break. Take your time, research, find what is the most recent research and methods to cope and deal with it. Always have boundaries and be assertive about implementing them, be it with clients or family. You being a mental health professional doesn't, give you a leeway in a manner that you don't have to face situations that others are facing. So, in case anybody questions you that being a mental health professional, this is how you are doing, this is what you are doing, do not take them personally, see it as lack of awareness in them, and give yourself the credit of being human. Always be assertive about your me time and have you take care of yourself because that is a foremost thing to be of service to other. I would like to hear from everybody present here to please share with us how are you coping with your mental health issues and what are you doing to maintain a healthy mental health in yourself. This is so that others reading it might benefit. Somebody who is going through a similar problem might have, a better idea of how to cope and deal with it. Thank you so much. Wishing everyone a happy and a healthy mental health. Regards.